lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a super exciting video for you. We're going to transform your space with DIY room decor ideas that you can whip up in just 5 minutes each. Yes, you heard that right, quick, easy, and fabulous. Let's dive in. Washi tape wall art. First up, let's add some flair to your walls with washi tape wall art. Grab your favorite washi tape colors and create geometric shapes or even a funky pattern. It's an instant burst of color and personality without the need for paint or nails. Mason jar fairy lights. Next, let's illuminate your space with mason jar fairy lights. Grab some mason jars, fairy lights, and any decorative elements you like. Simply stuff the fairy lights into the jar, add your decor, and voila, instant cozy ambience. Flower vase bookends. For a touch of nature, try these flower vase bookends. Take 2 identical vases, fill them with water, and add your favorite flowers. Place them on either side of your bookshelf, and you've got functional and beautiful bookends that brighten up your space. Photo garland. Let's add a personal touch with a photo garland. Print out some of your favorite photos, attach them to a piece of string or twine with clothespins, and hang them up. It's a fantastic way to showcase your memories and create a unique wall decoration. Customized coasters. Upgrade your coffee table with customized coasters. Grab plain coasters and decorate them with paint, washi tape, or even decoupage. You'll have unique coasters that not only protect your surfaces but also add a pop of style to your living space. String lights canopy. Transform your sleeping space with a dreamy string lights canopy. Drape string lights over a canopy or sheer fabric for a cozy and magical atmosphere. It's perfect for creating a relaxing vibe in your bedroom. Geometric plant hangers. Lastly, let's bring the outdoors in with geometric plant hangers. Create your own hangers with wooden dowels and twine. Hang small potted plants in geometric patterns for a modern and fresh look. And there you have it, DIY room decor ideas that you can make in just 5 minutes each. I hope you found these quick and easy projects inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more creative content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video.